guys, today I want to talk about how would you organize your fridge. Here in this video I'm just gonna show you how I do it, and comment below to let me know how you do organize your fridge. So let's go and watch the video. First of all, I took everything out and I throw away all of the food is already not good and I just don't want anymore. I do live alone, so a lot of food gets bad fast. So first clean out your fridge, and then what I have down here like some fruits and vegetables. So, and let's go see what I'm gonna do. Let's do it. So usually I do not put fruits with vegetables. Right now I'm just gonna clean it out. I'm gonna use a couple of the vegetables to make salad, and let's just go ahead and clean out. So now I already organized the bottom of my fridge, and I put some fruits and some vegetables over there. I still have some lettuce. I'm going to try to cook as much as I can so it doesn't go bad. But when you live alone, it's pretty hard. But you can tell I'm pretty good at my beverages. But yeah, that's how pretty much I organize my fridge. And of course, don't forget your meats, you guys. That I'm going to put inside the freezer. I'm not gonna leave it here. So that's pretty much it. Everything else is just snacks. Yep, so you can see it better. And I'm just going to I'm gonna put this in the freezer, so keep it there cold and nice, and just only one and that one, and that's all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and leave any comments you want, any suggestions. I would love to see them, and have a wonderful day. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.